You guys were in the middle of doing the fireworks, and they're actually quite good. I don't know if you can see that, but there's two people out there just talking about.
This ugly friggin' turd face.
There's some really good ones that have happened so far, and like my brother's watching YouTube.
I think that's probably Corvus under a mask. That's your little clitoris boyfriend. All right, listen.
So yeah, we're back to fireworks.
I gotta beat the bush bitch with a bush bitch. Everybody keep an eye out for clowns.
If you guys know the game GTA, then they look a bit like the flares, don't they?
Who's ever pushed around bush bitch now? Bush bitch Bravo. He's the GTS champion. And I'm gonna beat your ass, and if you're not down with that, 3 words, eat it. God damn it, I kinda hope the clowns kidnap him, don't you? Right, first of all, hold up. No, first of all, the clowns are coming to kill you.
Yeah, they're quite good, but they're not as big as the ones that have happened so far. There's some really big ones that have happened. They're kicking them away. Yeah, shout out to that dude, because he does really good YouTube videos. You should go check him out. His name's Silly Super something. So yeah, check it out, and please subscribe if you want to him. Oh, there's a big cloud of smoke right now. Just wait for it to clear. See all them fireworks down there? There's tons. They're all the fireworks we've been doing. Look at those.
Better him than me. We just want Champ and Tommy Salami. Just give us back Champ and Tommy Salami. Please.
That one looks sick, don't it? It's like getting shot. They still don't care about the clowns came and took someone. Yeah, just in case you're wondering where I'm filming from, I'm filming in my room. It's much tidier today. It's not actually how it looks on the camera. It's much better than it looks on the camera. It's just like that for some reason. I don't know why. Look at them clowns, they're super strong. They're taking them down and everything. If you guys like wrestling, then that's a good thing.
Get in there, come on, you can do this! Come on, you can do this! Get up! We're taking down the big one! Seriously! Come on, let's go! Joe, take the camera. Come on, get him! Get him!
my Xbox. Oh look, he's getting triple teamed. Back to the fireworks. And I'm filming fireworks just like I said to you guys about 2 hours ago. They're trying to take down the big clown right now, but they don't seem to be doing very well. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you so much, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a like below.